All right guys, so continuing our T56 work, so we actually have the bell housing in with our hardware package. So one of the main questions that we got asked is, will this transmission fit in the tunnel? So in real time, we're gonna find out right now. So one of the cool things about the T56 is it does have a detachable bell housing. So you can physically go straight into the clutch. If you ever need to service any clutch components or anything on the track, you can actually do it by just pulling a couple bolts out and dropping the transmission out. So now we've verified it does fit in the tunnel. Another question that we've seen a lot with a lot of clients in the DMs and emails is, do specific turbo kits fit with the T56 conversion in the Z chassis? As of right now, we're not 100% sure. You know, real talk, it's going to take real time actually physically putting the transmission and turbo kits in, because the transmission is skinnier in some crucial areas and it's fatter in some crucial areas. So we'll have to wait and see what those dimensions look like in, you know, and actual testing with the turbo kit and the transmission in the car. So at this point, it is really exciting because we do physically have the transmission in the vehicle. There are still a couple things to work out, such as the shifter and the actual transmission mount, which our fabrication team is working on R&D right now. It will use a standard style urethane transmission mount, just a single bolt, single mount, so nothing crazy there. We do have drive shaft links figured out, and we will have options for low power, mild to wild builds, anything from aluminum one piece to a carbon fiber unit for guys who really want to go fast. So we're pretty excited at this point. Stay tuned and see what happens next.